Hello. Welcome in. Hello, hello. What do you know? Welcome in. It's the Swag Show. Good afternoon. How are we looking? Needs to go over a little bit. All right. There we go. Hello. Hello. Testy, testies. 1 2 1 2. Check, check. Microphone checker. 1 2 1 2. This is a premium alert given in the group when as high as 20 points or as low, whatever you want to take it as. But we gave a short out in the group to go short at 21,451. It ran 20 points so far. Maybe more than that, actually. If it touched 26, that would be 25 points, right? That'd be 25 points? Yeah. It was moving and grooving. So if it went as low as 26 from 51, that's 25 points, right? Razor, Big, Mueller, Bobby's World, welcome in, Pola, Burdush, Frederick, hello, hello. How's everybody doing today? Can't spam. What up, dog? It is a thirsty 3-for-1 Thursday. I don't know. Terrific, thriving, tantalizing. 700 away from 4 eval passing type of day. I'm 700 away from passing 4 evals. So yeah. Uh, could have. This has just started moving and grooving right here before lunch. This is crazy movement. It hasn't been moving all day like this, and then all of a sudden it's giving us some good moves. I'm not complaining about it. I'm not complaining about it. I'm just saying it's been kind of weird all day. It was consolidating for quite a bit. And then it dropped and then ran up, and now it's kind of moving back down here at the top of this zone that we had from a couple days ago. Thinking about getting more 250s. Yeah, they extended the sale. So 90% off. Use the code SWAGSHOW. Please help me help you help others. We'll be doing the giveaway tomorrow at 1:30 for anybody that's signed up for the free week of premium alerts. Make sure you follow me on social media. Shoot me a message. Follow me on the Purple app. I'd appreciate that over there on the Purple app, which is Twitch if nobody's figured that out yet. Well, now we're green. Back to 15 points there for a second. So I have 4 evals that I made 2364 on today. So about 700, a little less than 700 from passing. I don't know if it'll be today. I might wait until tomorrow to pass them and have fresh PAs starting on Monday again. But yeah, that's what I get for trying to YOLO. And that's what happens when they throw these 90% sales. They want people to make mistakes. All right, and we're out. Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean, Jelly Bean, till your fingers turn green. Help me, help you, help others. I appreciate each and every one of you being here with me today. Let's turn this back on. Big Bang NQ. Maybe Santa. Santa's in a trade here. How did I just know to go to Santa? Wait for tomorrow, not enough action right now. Yeah, that's what I was figuring. DeWitt, welcome to the Spaghetti Mount Up. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate you being here. Although we might be able to give another alert here if this is going to continue to run up. But I'm not too sure. I don't like giving it when it's this close to stuff that I'm looking at. Bounced, rejected kind of off the PP there. I'm not going to mess with it. I don't like it. Your audio seems to be getting lower now. Hello? Hello? Is this better? Can you hear me? Daniel, how's YouTube audio? Does it sound okay? Check, check. Hello, hello. Check, check. Looks good on my end when I'm talking. How's the audio? What is this? Trader G, this is BoldBot. It's a fully automated trading algorithm for the futures market. This strategy is called NQ Santa. It's our scalper algorithm. It could take a lot of trades in the day. I'll also put up NQ day waves over here on the Purple app and YouTube. For those of you tuned in over there, you can look at 2 different algorithms at the same time. Nope, it's low. I have full volume. Huh. How's the sound on TikTok? And is the volume okay on TikTok? Can you guys hear me okay? I'm just wondering if it's something inside of YouTube. Check, check, check. Hello, hello. I wonder what Purple app looks like. All right. What's the best winning day? From one of the strategies or what? What are you asking, trader? I mean, we've had algorithms that have taken $8,000 trades before. Santa's gone as high as 4,000 or 5,000 before on one trade. But White House press briefing starting soon at 1 o'clock right now. Topics. All right, there might be some movement here. 1 o'clock, the White House press stuff is supposed to be popping off, so be careful. Be careful if you're in a trade. Daniel, I don't know what's going on, buddy, with the YouTube volume, man. I'm still learning. I'm still trying to figure out this whole streaming. When you're streaming on 3 different platforms, you got to use different software and programs to be able to do it. But I don't know. I'm right here next to the microphone. When I look at my levels, it shows that it's pretty much peaked out before it would go into the red. So, and is it actually profitable? Yes, it is. We have 9 different algorithms, 50 different strategies, and if we tell you to run it, it's going to be profitable overall in the long run. So, hey, Nirvana, what's happening? Good afternoon. How are you? Remember, guys, if you want entered into the drawing for the 1 week of premium alerts, the giveaway is going to be happening tomorrow at 1:30 Eastern Time right here on stream. Might be the master volume for YouTube. Let's see. Well, it's saying YouTube has a poor connection. It's not receiving enough video to maintain a smooth stream, so that might be something inside of OBS that I need to play with. I thought a guy that was in here in the chat was going to help me one day, but I never got a message from him. So I don't know. I'm going to have to look into that, though, and figure it out. I apologize, Daniel. If you could follow me on the Purple app or on TikTok, I'm on both of those as well, but I appreciate it. Swag Show Kyle underscore swag underscore show underscore Kyle, or BoldBot underscore Kyle on TikTok. But yeah, Trader, we have Ben, Lauren, Jen, and myself, 4 of us. We go live like 5 times a day, Monday through Friday, showing the algorithms. We have one of them called NQ New, NQ Early, that run at about a 92% win rate. So just stick around and watch. It took me a while to believe it as well, but train this one, I don't know what it's looking for, honestly. This is called NQ Day Waves. So each strategy and algorithm is looking for a specific set of rules or codes built into it. I don't know what each of those are. I did not program them, but they are profitable if we are running them. The only one that I like to show is Santa, that if you left it run all the time, it would not be profitable, but it's used more as an indicator, and you can scalp off of it really good. It usually goes at least 2 or 3 points green. But yeah, NQ Day Waves is up about 12,000 on the year, I think, overall. So it's one of the other ones that I like to run, like to watch. Yeah, and all the big hedge funds have better ones than us, I guarantee it. The market is definitely manipulated by bots and algorithms that trade for the companies. But if you can learn how to manually trade on top of letting the bots trade, it's a good thing to do. So good, great alerts, by the way. Got into them on Sim. No confident yet with the ATMs. Nirvana, use the conservative one to start out, and see if you like that one. That moves or takes profit a little bit quicker. That's what I would do, just to try it. But there's nothing else in a trade right now. But I appreciate all the likes, the shares, the follows, the gifts. Keep tapping that screen. My name is Kyle. This is the Swag Show. I do go live Monday through Friday, 1 to 2 p.m. Eastern, showing you live future market trading using BoldBot. And sometimes I will be showing the premium alerts if we are in one. The one we were in ran, what did it run? 25 points, and then it got stopped out on the short. So, honey, yeah. Now it ran all the way back up here to the PP. So we'll see what it wants to do here at this key level of 21,450. All right, and that stopped out there. and jump right back into a short on NQ Santa. We're not currently in any trades right now, but Santa is in a trade, so we'll let you watch him. He is a reversal scalper algorithm. He likes to take a lot of trades during the day. That's why I said you got to be real careful if you choose to use him. I would just look for 2 or 3 points off of him, and then move your stop loss manually. But Daniel, welcome to the Swaginators Mount Up. Thank you for the follow. Oh my goodness, who's giving me all those gifts? Daniel, hey, thank you for the lightning bolts, man. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. You didn't have to do that, man. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for the gifts. Can we get a hashtag Daniel in the chat, please? Thank you very much for those lightning bolts, brother. I appreciate you. Tomorrow is the giveaway for the premium alerts. If you want entered into that drawing, let me know if you follow me on social media so you can get entered into the drawing happening tomorrow. If you're already a member of the group and you win, you will get access to Outlaw for 1 week for free. So thank you, brother. I appreciate you. I appreciate that. 1:30 tomorrow will be the drawing. If you're not on the list, let me know so I can put your name on the list for the giveaway. Blew another TPT, time to buy Apex 90% off. Ah, Superman, I'm sorry to hear that. But yeah, use code SWAGSHOW and help me help you. What's your win rate? So, what's your win rate? Won't he conservative ATM for this month? It's like 78% on the alerts, I think. Maybe higher. I don't know. I don't keep track of that. I think Ben keeps track of that. High computer load detected. Learn how to reduce it. View more tips. Okay. Let's see what it says. Hey, Thomas, welcome to the Swaginators Mount Up. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate you being here. To improve the live, try the following tips. Close all other applications like recording and streaming tools. Change the settings in other applications to reduce the use of resources. This can include reducing game quality. Yeah, well, I can't really do that. So I can't really slow anything down, but because I'm trying to stream on 3 different platforms. So anyway, sorry, I meant your win rate if you use the conservative ATM. Oh, it's probably like 90%. Honestly, I think the alerts, if you use the conservative ATM where it takes profit quicker, is probably around 90%. And that's probably since February. Because I think I've only had, I don't know, maybe 10 to 20 losses where it did not move at least like 5 points. But yeah. Yeah, I think Ben tracks everything. Big resistance level at 56 to 60. Yeah, it's definitely another level to be looking at. Also up here at 70 to 72. Somewhere in there. So be cautious. I don't like anything right here, honestly. I don't like anything until it makes up its mind if it's going to complete like another hump and go back down, or if it's going to break on up to the upside here. I don't like any trades right now, honestly. Just my opinion. But I do just want to show support here. Oh, man, I appreciate you. Daniel, oh, yeah, you're over here on TikTok and YouTube. All right, I see you. I didn't put 2 and 2 together until just now. Hey, Daniel, I appreciate you, man. I gotta figure it out. I don't know what's going on. I think it might be because the computer I'm using to stream from is like a 12-year-old custom built gaming PC that might be coming to the end of its life, unfortunately. So I don't know if I'll have to switch everything over to my new computer and try and run everything off of there. I really don't want to do that, but if I have to, I will. So, Kyle, after you pass Apex, what rules compared to TPT? I think it's 20% consistency rule. You can request a payout every 8 days after you meet the buffer of like 2,600 in profit. Um, you can't like windfall trading or whatever they want to call it. But other than that, it's pretty much just stay consistent. Daniel, stop laughing. I know. I got a brand new computer, but I don't want to use it for streaming because I trade off my old one. I mean, I guess technically all I would have to do is log into my VPS through my new one and then just set up all the stuff. I don't know, man. It's so complicated. Is it 30% consistency for Apex? I can't remember CX, honestly. I just try and stay around the same every day, and that way I know I'm okay. If I'm between like 200 and 600 a day per account, then I know I'm going to be good. But I don't remember, honestly, if it's 20 or 30%. And yeah, I just don't want to switch over to my new computer with everything. Because then it's like, what am I gonna do with this big hunk of beast computer over here? You know, it is 30%. All right, cool. Well, there you go. I just don't know what I would do with this computer. I guess I could give it to my youngest son, but I don't know if I really want him to have access to the internet and stuff like that. He's only 9, so. And it's big. It's a big old gaming PC. My new one, it could probably handle it. I just have to figure out how to reload everything onto that one. 30% of your highest total amount. So if you made $1,000 one day, uh, you have to stick within 30% of that number for the rest of your days. But yeah, you have to watch that too. So that's why I say if you just stay between the same amount every day, there's really nothing to worry about. So they just deny your payout. Super. They just deny your payout. But if you can stay consistent, that's all they're looking for. So like I said, if you shoot for $200 a day per account, you're gonna be fine. If you go up to maybe 600 on a couple of days, they're not gonna care. But if you get up to like 2,000 on one day, then they might say something. But you just gotta stay consistent. That's all they're really looking for. Use code Swag Show. The sale has been extended until the June 1st, I think. Code Swag Show at Apex, 90% off right now. Help me, help you, help others. I am doing a giveaway tomorrow at 1:30. So if you haven't signed up for the giveaway, follow me on social media. Shoot me a message. Let me know in chat that you want entered into the drawing that's going to be happening tomorrow for one free week of the premium alerts that we give out in the group. And if you're already a member of the group, then you will get access to Outlaw for a week. So you can still win. This is a nice short here on Santa, $260. Looks like it's gonna go down, down, baby. Oak Street in the rainbow. Daniel, you want in? Okay. You're already a member, right? So got Ninja and my VPS waiting for funds to go through, then I'll be joining. Awesome, Matt. Good to hear that, brother. I can't wait to have you on board. Yeah, I don't know. I gotta see, I guess, how bad this is really buffering. That's why I wish somebody would go over on the Purple app and let me know if it's buffering or not. Not at the moment. I used to. Okay. Matt, you want entered into the drawing as well? All right. I'll put you on the list. I got you on the list. Thank you guys so much for the gifts, the follows, the likes, the shares. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't followed me on the Purple app, please, guys, go follow me over there. Doesn't cost any money. It's free to follow. I just need to grow my followers over there so I can get affiliated with the Purple app. And I want somebody to tell me how the stream looks over there. I need to learn a lot more about how to stream over there. So there's lots of cool stuff you could do on there, I know, but I just don't know how to do any of it. And that one guy said he was going to help me, and then I never received an email from him, so I don't know what's going on. We're in a $400 short here. Hey, it's Vinny. Hey, Kyle, on the road today, but watching the group alerts are fire. Awesome, man. Be safe out there. I hope the weather's good wherever you're driving at. We had another good one, a 25-point move. I guess I could have given this one out, but it was scary. It did spike up quite a bit there, almost 33 points from where I would have given it, but now that it's below it, it's hard to say. It's just in a weird area still. It's in a weird area. It's kind of almost in a chop zone from a few days ago as well that you would get access to if you took the digital mentorship that Lauren offers. Come be a part of the student group. Learn how to manually trade. You're in New Jersey and it's cloudy. Okay, well, I think it's cloudy here too. I haven't even looked outside, honestly. Sometimes I just don't want to look outside. I look at the temperature and see what the high is, but amazing. The bots made 1900 today for you. Good job, man. There you go. Yeah, I know NQ New was 1 for 1. Silver, I don't know what it ended up doing. ES New was 1 for 1 for 187. What else? I don't know. YM Vizzy 265. NQ Prop was green 1600. Crazy, crazy. Crazy, crazy, man. Crazy. Thursday. All right, Big Bang ES is in a trade. Let me pull this up over here for the people at home on the Purple app and YouTube, so they can see the two for one on Thursday, I guess. I don't know. Well, that Santa got out, but Santa got right back in. Here, I'm going to put this over here. And we're going to move Santa to the side for the Purple app people eaters and YouTube, so they can see 2 for 1. Now, this is ES Big Bang, one of the premium strategy algorithms. Looks good on this side. Outdoorsman, thank you very much for that. I appreciate you. I didn't know if it was still buffering over there on the purple app or not, but I appreciate you telling me that. Thank you. Thank you so much. Give me a follow while you're over there. Would you please? I appreciate it. If you haven't already. All right, we got Big Bang ES in a trade. Santa got out of a trade. Let's bring up short. Can we bring up visual short here? Let's see. Where is it at? There we go. There we go. Two for one on the purple app and on YouTube. I'm showing you NQ visual short on the left, ES Big Bang on the right. Two of the premium strategy algorithms on the purple app and on YouTube. On TikTok, you're just watching ES Big Bang. What are your bots based on? Each one's different. We have 9 different bots or algorithms, about 50 different strategies, and each one looks for a different or certain set of specific settings that it looks for before it takes a trade. So it's kind of hard to answer that. But just about anything you could think of or that you've probably heard of, learning about trading, there's probably an algorithm that looks for that as well, if that makes sense. So 300 plus on microplan times 6 accounts. Hey, there you go, Vinny. That's what I'm talking about. Stay right in that pocket each and every day, and in a month you'll be happy. Trust me. To keep risk low in a $2,500 cash account, would you trade 2 or 3 micros? Yes, Matt. Yes. It depends on what strategy, honestly, you're going to use, Matt, and what the overall risk is or potential loss could be. So, all right, outdoorsman, thank you, brother. I appreciate you. Or sister. I'm assuming a brother since it says man, but you know, nowadays you never can tell. But Matt, yeah, 2 or 3 micros. It all just depends on what strategy you're running and what the overall risk is. And we'll talk about that more once you join. But yeah, look at this. NQ visual short is green $600 now. Look at this on TikTok and every place else. $700. Let me blow this up. Let me blow it up so you guys can see the candles and everything nice and big and cool. I admire your daily focus and streaming each day. Hey, Vinny, thank you, man. I appreciate it. I try my best. I just got to get better at like the overall feel of the stream, I guess, for the settings, especially on the purple app and on YouTube, to make sure it's not lagging or delaying and you can hear everything. So Trumpathon, welcome in. I thought you were speaking at the White House right now. Maybe not. I don't know. There might be some type of press conference going on, I thought, that started at 1 o'clock at the White House. So that could be why we're getting some moves like this. But I have no clue what I'm doing. I want to go slow and steady. Yeah, you have to. What bot is NQ? We have lots of different ones that run on NQ. This one that I'm showing you is NQ Visual Short. So it's only looking to take shorts. And today it is green 450 bucks. Right now it's in a trade almost 600, but yeah. Thank you, Vinny. I appreciate that. Yeah, I wish I could play the music that I want to listen to, but YouTube will copyright strike it, and then Lauren will get mad. If it was my own YouTube channel, I wouldn't really care because I know I don't have enough followers to like get monetized. But they don't let you play copyright music on YouTube like that, so it's just weird. But it is what it is. We'll just listen to the free, copyright free techno, hip hop, whatever this music is we're listening to. Just kind of jamming out, hanging out, watching the bots trade. I'm done for the day. Um, no more manual trades for me. I am done. About 600 away from passing four more evals. Other than that, nothing else going on. Oops. There we go. Yeah. Don't get discouraged, guys. If you get a letter from Apex or an email asking for like for you to document your trades and provide proof and like what strategies you use, they have the right to do that. Four, just four, Nadine, just four evals. But the other day I tried to YOLO eight of them and accidentally attached my PAs to them. So I don't want to talk about that right now. I made a huge mistake because I wasn't fully awake and I was in my head. But yeah, we've got about 600 bucks away from passing four more evals, which hopefully will be tomorrow. I'm not going to do it today, but that way on Monday I'll have four more new PAs starting on Monday. So $700 now on this short on one mini contract using uh, NQ Visual Short. Brought to you by BoldBot, which is a fully automated trading algorithm for the futures market. No, that's after I build the buffer, Nadine. That's after they become PAs and I build up a like a $3,500 buffer. Then all I need to do is make $100 a day. But that's going to be at least 2-3 weeks from now. So how expensive is it to get this thing? So trader, we have the standard algorithms that are called box seats that you can get for 250 bucks for the first 2 weeks to try it out and see if you like it. And then it's $1,000 a month after that. Or you could get the premium algorithms like the one you just watched that are $1,500 a month. And I know that might seem like a lot of money, but if you're using prop firms and you have multiple accounts, you just have to do the math. If you had 10 accounts and you made 150 bucks a day per account, that would pay for it in one day. You know what I mean? So you got to look at it like that. Big Bang ES still in this trade. Let's go back over to that. Go back over to the Big Bang ES trade. It's in a long still. I wonder if I can, I might have to get like a capture card. That's the problem. I don't want to get a capture card. to be able to stream from one computer to another. That would be a pain in the butt. I might just have to switch everything over if it doesn't. If this isn't performing too well. I don't know. I lowered all the settings. It's just YouTube is saying it's not receiving enough video, so I don't know. I don't know. I'm not an expert. I'm not a streaming expert. I wish I was, but I'm not. Hey, Ray, what's happening? Yeah, trader. I mean, you could always, if you're already a good manual trader, or if you manually trade the futures market, you can always just sign up for the alerts, man. Start with the alerts. They're only $100 for the first week, $500 a month after that, and most people are making $500 a day off the alerts. So those are well worth it. Even if you ran micros on the alerts, you could still easily make 100 to $200 a day, depending on what your account size is, and if you're using cash accounts or prop firm accounts or whatever you wanted to use. So, you got any water left? Yeah. Ray, are you out of school now? Is school over for the summer? Going on summer vacation anywhere? What's everybody's plans? What are you guys doing for the summer? Anything fun? Going on any vacations? Most likely it's telling you that your graphics card is not enough to handle the demand you ask for. Oh, yeah, that probably is true. Like I said, Daniel, the one that I'm using right now to do all this is 12 years old. And at the time, it was the best card I could buy. But yeah, it's probably struggling to keep up with all this. So I might have to look into switching everything over to my new computer. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Went to sign up for the alerts last night, but I didn't get the link for the 1 week trial. What? That's crazy. Tell Lauren she owes you a 1 week trial for $100. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna definitely have to look into it. I'm gonna shut YouTube down though, just so it doesn't uh, keep buffering like this and use up all my resources. So if you're over on YouTube, come on over to the Purple app or to the TikTok. But I'm gonna shut YouTube down for now. It's struggling, but I appreciate you over there. All right, I'll still stay live on TikTok and the Purple app though. All right.